This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult a professional before making any investment decisions. In discussing the investment implications of war, our hearts ache for the loss of innocent lives. We humbly pray for a world where peace, love, and kindness unite nations. Will the Israel-Hamas war affect the Indian stock market? In recent weeks, the Israel-Hamas conflict has been dominating the headlines, raising concerns about its potential impact on global markets. Today, we will explore how this conflict might affect the Indian stock market. India has a significant trade relationship with Israel, with exports of goods like diamonds, refined petroleum, and rice accounting for around 5% of India's total exports. With India being a major importer of crude oil, any spike in oil prices could lead to increased inflation and higher import bills. This could potentially impact the stock market. The ongoing conflict could lead to an increase in defense budgets globally, which could benefit domestic defense companies like HAL, BEL, and Mazagon Dock. The travel and tourism sector may be affected due to travel restrictions and suspension of services. However, the Indian tourism sector has a strong presence in Israel, which could mitigate some of the impact. The IT sector has a limited presence in Israel, but companies like TCS, Tech Mahindra, and HCL Technologies have operations there. While the impact on these companies may be minimal, the safety of employees is of utmost importance. The pharmaceutical sector has tie-ups with Israeli companies for drug development. Companies like Sun Pharma may be affected, but the impact is expected to be minimal. In conclusion, while the Israel-Hamas conflict may have some ripple effects on the Indian stock market, the overall impact is expected to be manageable. The market will likely remain volatile in the short term, but long-term investors should remain cautious. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will discuss the potential impact of the Israel-Hamas conflict on the global economy and financial markets.